Imagine a weather app that cuts through the clutter and gives you exactly what you need. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the new Pixel 9 weather app that's set to redefine simplicity. Just days before the Pixel 9 launch, the tech world buzzed with excitement over a brand new weather app. Leaks and screenshots hinted at a major redesign. I couldn't wait to try it out myself. So I sideloaded the APK on my OnePlus 11R to see what's new. The first thing I noticed? Less clutter, more straightforward information. Gone are the days of unnecessary details. The new app greets you with a bigger font for the temperature, making it the focal point. No more degree symbols, just pure simplicity. The background now changes with the weather conditions, adding a dynamic touch. The older app's solid colors and subtle animations are history. The 10-day forecast is now a horizontal list, saving you from endless scrolling. The current conditions text is gone, replaced by sleek, circular weather cards. You can even rearrange these weather cards to suit your preference. This focus on minimalism extends to the 10-day forecast panel as well. But not everything is perfect. You can't refresh the 10-day forecast section directly anymore. You'll have to go back to the main page, which is a bit of a letdown. And where's our friendly neighborhood Froggy? The beloved weather frog is missing from the redesign, leaving a void for many users. Despite this, the new Pixel 9 weather app excels in functionality. Adding and accessing saved locations is now a breeze. If Froggy makes a comeback, it could be the perfect weather app. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments.